Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how we can blend photos images in Canva. So I will show you the few methods step by step so you can follow it. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So in first method you can put your image from here. You can upload your image and just put on the canvas. For now just take image from canvas only and just make it fit to the canvas like this and just keep it at center. Okay, now in this method we can use shapes. Go to the elements again and search for shapes. Okay, so just select the rectangle shapes. Okay, so these shapes had round edges, so we can make it sharp edges. Now we can make it fit to the canvas and make it and just cover that image and canvas. Okay, now select again shapes, go to the color and select any shape colors here. Okay, now again go to the gradients color and select any gradients color. Now again come to this color options, and now we have this two colors gradients color, so you can add more 4. So now we have the 5. First two you need to make it transparent. Okay, before that we need to select that circle gradients. First two color you need to make transparent like this. Okay, 100% transparent, and last 3 color you need to change color as same as your background color. So our background color is white, so I just make it white. Okay, so now we have done. Now you can select that element and group it. Okay, now you can resize this. You can also crop it like this. Okay, or we can do one thing, you can download as an image or png like this. Download it. Once it download, you can add another page and just drag on the canvas. Okay, now you can crop it properly if you want and just maximize the size like this. Okay, so I hope so this is the first method. Let me show you the second method. So I just need to insert that image again. So here we have that image. This is the second method. Okay, keep at the center. Now go to the app. Under the app you need to search for blend image. Here you need to select that app, let it come. Okay, this one. Okay, this is not, let me show you image blender. Okay, search for image blender. Okay, and here we have that app here. Now select that image, go to the fade, here the radiant. Okay, you just click that radiant resize icon and resize like this. You can decrease the strain or increase the strain like this and just save it. Now we have this image with the blend edges. Okay, so this is the second method. Okay, so this is 2 method you can use. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.